Hi, welcome to another video. So this is a quickie, more of a blog than anything else. I decided to fit that Honeywell pressure sensor to the PCB for my clock and this Midas display. I've actually spent all day putting a few segments around the outside. I've also used my own font for the numbers, so there's no need to write it, blank it and write it again. That was previously flashing when I used, a regular font. But now it's rock steady image. All these are rock steady. The only thing that's flashing on and off is this vertical line. So just a quickie, I've released this code many times with Midas screens and the ILI9341. There's a function in there called steps. If you divide the steps down, you can actually get the needle to sit at 12 o'clock. That's it really. So the code you've already got for this display. This is now running on a PIC 18F27K42. I thought I'd give you a quick demonstration. Spend some time. I've shown you how to program these screens. Spend some time putting in some segments. Spend some time developing your own font. I've shown you how. You get an impressive system. I'll give you a quick dem. So that's as hard as I can blow. If I suck on this pipe. There we go, 486 millibar. Let go of the pipe. I'd even put this gauge, the function to write this needle, I'd put that on YouTube a couple of years ago. I've already put everything on YouTube. It doesn't include these little white lines, but I've shown you the basics. Have a look through all the codes I've made available. If you've not seen these Midas displays before, have a look through my videos. So a small bit of work makes these Midas displays look really impressive. Have a look through my other videos if you haven't seen them. Thank you for watching.